What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on XRP and also Ripple a little bit. As most of you know, I always try to do a little bit of an update on Ripple, but to my knowledge there actually wasn't any news on that. And when I say Ripple, then I obviously kind of refer to the Ripple SEC lawsuit mostly. It was not really news. There's a little bit of an interesting thing going on with Ripple and the opening of crypto in Hong Kong. As most of you know, June the 1st, certain cryptos can be bought in Hong Kong. And I'm actually not sure. I'm actually going to check that out in the middle of this video. But I'm not sure whether you can actually buy XRP or not. I don't think you can. I don't think you can actually buy XRP when it comes out. I saw a list somewhere and it's not in there. So, but still, Ripple actually had some deals and actually was in talks to create or to at least participate into some sort of a CBDC in Hong Kong or China, I believe Hong Kong. So that's still bullish. I mean, if the whole crypto sector and industry is getting pushed in Hong Kong, it's also bullish for the parties that are working on certain blockchain initiatives there, like Ripple. So that could be one of the reasons why we're bullish. In this video, we'll talk about that. We'll do a full analysis, technical and fundamental. And yeah, that's I'll try to prepare you as well as possible, in my eyes at least. So that's what we'll do. Before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comments, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. By the way, I'm also looking at Bitcoin a little bit because it seems like we're bullish, so I just try to monitor all that all the time. But we'll focus on XRP. So right now we're actually very bullish. We're actually trending up, which is we actually were not doing that right here. So we've just started doing that because we just like Sunday afternoon we got into that trend. Was supported by this bullish breakout above 48.5 cents, which was actually quite a significant resistance level. So it's pretty significant that we broke above that. But right now, as you can see, historically, we're nearing an even stronger level between 50 cents, which is obviously a big psychological resistance level, but it's also a normal key level. And at the very top, this level at 51 cents. So there's a lot of resistance, and essentially what we would want to do with XRP is get a bullish breakout, right? Because if we break above 51 cents, we'll find resistance at 52.5 cents, but then we are in this area between 50 cents and 54.5 cents, which we also have been in during April, and then it was pretty good. I mean, we were pretty strong, but right now breaking above 51 cents and that whole level, I think is going to be tough, and I do not think we can do that initially. All right, maybe after a while we can. But it does depend on a lot of things, like for example Bitcoin. Like Bitcoin right now is trying to break out. I'm not sure what the dollar strength index is doing. Yeah, the dollar strength index is a bit bearish now, so that's why Bitcoin got some bullish momentum. So it is possible. I think if Bitcoin gets up to these levels again around 28,700, I actually do think XRP can break above 51 cents. But and then we'll get into this level between 52.5 and 51 cents at first. But for now, I don't think we'll be able to do that yet. I think it's more likely that we'll drop down from 51 cents. And then we'll drop down to, like, if we drop down to 49.5 cents, which is a very small drop, and we hold that level, well, all right. Then we're just very bullish. That's bullish confirmation, and we'll break above that later, tomorrow or the day after. But if from there, it could also be that we'll just find a lot of resistance and that will drop down to this level right here at 48.5 and 48 cents. Then we'll just consolidate here and we'll get that move up if we get some sort of a bullish catalyst with the Ripple lawsuit or with Bitcoin. All right, so it's I think it's quite likely that we'll at some point of time break above 51.5 cents given the current market circumstances. But when it will happen, it does really depend on how we react to this level. I think a little bit of resistance is guaranteed, but we'll see. Only time will tell. So that's my take on XRP for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.